Hi, I'm Dr. Blink, and we're starting a new series all about chemical peels. So with the cooler months here, now is the ideal time to be looking at prepping that skin for the deeper chemical peels. Remember, there's different types of chemical peels, different ingredients like lactic acid, mandelic acid, glycolic acid, TCA peels, phenol peels, and there's different strengths of chemical peels, right from superficial, medium, deep, and it's all about what do we want to achieve. Some patients, it's more about just going to a special event or even prep for marriage, and then we want to maybe focus on just a glow up, just putting that nice glow on the skin, getting rid of those old dead skin cells. That's where the superficial peel comes in. Also, superficial peels are great in preparing that skin for the deeper peels. So we never just go in with a medium strength or a deeper peel without making certain that your skin is well prepped, as well as that we're starting off with more superficial peels and check how your skin reacts, and then we go in with the deeper peels. Otherwise, what happens, I've had patients come in here from other practices or from beauty spas, and their skin hasn't been well prepped, and then they say, oh, I don't like chemical peels. I've had like an acne outbreak, or my skin is like irritated or red. Please, I don't want to, or my skin all peeled off. I don't want to go that way. But that's not what it's about. If you prep that skin well, you shouldn't be getting a reaction like that. And skin prep involves, it's a whole skin science that involves making certain we start off with those superficial peels, checking out how your skin reacts, then we go medium strength, and then if necessary, we'll proceed on to the deeper skin peels. Skin prep also involves making certain you're on the right medical grade skincare products. Products like vitamin A, vitamin C, as well as we start introducing gently different acids and see how your skin reacts. Making certain that your barrier is intact. So the barrier of the skin is all about that oily layer of the skin. And remember, with sun exposure, with exposure to pollutants, that barrier starts to break down. And we don't want to just go in with a chemical peel if your barrier is not intact. Otherwise, we're going to get the negative effects. We don't want negative, we want positive. We want the wow effects. So it's also not just about using any skincare products, ones that you can buy from anywhere, but it's about using the right products, the right strengths of products, so that those products can penetrate nice and deeply into the skin. That's where your fabulous advanced dermal aesthetic therapist comes in to guide you along the journey. People often make that mistake. They go online, they buy this whole big basket full of products, they're layering on products and they think more is better, and that's not what it's about. It's about using the right ingredients, the right products in the right season. Remember, there's something called skin cycling. With the different seasons, you need different products. And it's not just about, oh, I use these 4 products, so no matter throughout the year, throughout the rest of my life, I use those same products. Remember that in part of preparing the skin, some people need a lot more care, a little bit more TLC, and those patients with a very sensitive skin, hyperactive skin, rosacea, or maybe the darker skin phototypes, then we need to make certain we don't want any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, we don't want those blotches on the skin, so we need to prep that skin. The more mature skin needs a lot more TLC. So part of the whole steps in the whole process before having a chemical peel, you need to make a consultation. Come and chat to me or come and chat to the advanced skin therapist. They'll guide you along the journey, making certain you're on the right medical grade skincare products, and also managing your expectations. Remember, pigmentation is built up over time. Remember, pigmentation is not completely treatable, but we can definitely reduce it. Also, we might be focusing more on the acne or focusing more on the anti-aging. They will guide you along that journey, making certain the right medical grade skincare products, the right chemical peels, as well as bringing in other treatment modalities, things like laser, or maybe you need a bit of a skin boosting or some mesotherapy. So we want to put together different concoctions and get that wow result. So come and see me. Let's start the process and get you onto that chemical peel. Remember, this is the ideal time. This is the cooler months of the year. This is the perfect time for us to progress to getting those deeper peels and you getting your perfect skin to match your great personality.